Made it to San Diego, yay! And San Diego is treating us so well right off the bat. We're in a Tesla. Like, our Uber is like Tesla. Like, double sunroof. Look how nice. Like, leather. Ooh, I don't think I'm getting out. This might be better than my hostel. I'm staying here. I'm moving in. I'll be your co-captain. This is awesome. So, yeah, awesome. What up, guys? All right, about to leave to go head up to dinner to meet up with Jessica to surprise her for her birthday.
It's gonna be amazing. She's gonna look so pretty.
She has no idea I'm coming. She has no idea that I'm in San Diego, came all the way from Georgia just to surprise her.
He wasn't gonna miss one, so he's not gonna miss a birthday.
Not gonna miss a birthday.
Not this year.
Not ever.
We love you, Jessica.
Love you, Jess. You're fine. You guys had a catch. Oh yeah.
Hey, Jess.
I'm good. I'm alright.
He's out here. Why is he hard? You don't cry for us. I
know. I'm glad you at least cut the beard stuff. I'm glad you still got the beard. Yeah. That looks good. Let me see.
I have a jalapeno and cucumber.
How surprised are you? How surprised are you? How surprised are you?
What is this?
Welcome to my new life. Welcome to my...
Yeah, you can try Laura's, it's better.
Hi! Look at 21!
Times 6. Times 6.
That looks good.
You don't even know how much it's like.
One more. Get it with your coat.
Get that Hobo Elmo version of whatever out of my face. Hobo Elmo.
Dear God, Brian.
You know what I mean? Like Elmo, but it's like dark and gray.
Birthday! Happy 21st! Oh, that's a good one.
No. Oh my God. And then he's like, yeah, God, you hate me. Are you kidding? He hates me. He was like, bitch. I was like, ¿qué paso?
He hates your basic whiteness.
Well,
Yeah, it was great. So, yeah, we're in a random
we
parking
got
lot.
in. We finally said hey. Unfortunately, I missed the whole part where I was supposed to like record it.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I got up to the fucking point where it was supposed to like be like super exciting and all that shit, and I just like missed that one important fucking part where you like press the fucking record button. But you know, all the same, my bad. I'm new.
I know. We missed the we missed the record button. Like when I hopped in, and it would have been great because like my best friend cried for like 2 minutes.
She was so cute.
I know.
The fucking Asian cry is just amazing.
I know.
I don't know if you know anything about that, but
I know she missed it. So we're leaving. We just had dinner for like 3 hours. It was great. It's great seeing my best friend. Like it was amazing to be like, hey, surprise. Yeah. So, yeah. But you know, we're done. So San Diego,
So
day
hot as
one.
Shit. We fucking, we got plans for days.
San Diego, day one, done. San Diego, day two. Day two, the boat party though. That's gonna be legit. I can't wait. Day two, San Diego, boat party. Let go. I cannot wait. Oh my God, I can't wait.